Hello. Hello, Samiksh. Hi, Saraswi. Hi.
Hi.
Okay, so today we are reading the book Elephant Learns to Share.
You want to share?
Yes, what is the book? The book is about sharing.
Sharing.
Okay, it is written by Sue Graves.
So gravy.
So let's see what is the book about. Elephant. The book is about an elephant. Elephant was very selfish. He would not share anything.
Yeah.
He would not share his sweets. He would not share his toys. He would not even share his games. He always kept everything to himself. What did he do? He never shared anything with his friends. Everything he kept to himself. At school, he would not share his paints. Even when Monkey ran out of yellow paint and could not finish his picture, Elephant said the paints were his and he did not want to share them. Monkey thought he was mean. What did the elephant do? Monkey's yellow color got finished. But elephant did not give his colors. He did not share his yellow color with the monkey. He was very mean to the monkey. At break, he would not share his snack. Even when Hippo forgot to bring his own snack to school. Elephant said he wanted his snack for himself. What happened at the school? Hippo forgot his lunch box. He was very hungry. But Elephant did not share his lunch box. Hippo thought he was very mean. On Friday, Elephant was really selfish. He would not share any of the books in the library corner. Little Lion said, Elephant did not need all the books at once. He said Elephant could read one book at a time. But Elephant said he wanted all the books for himself. He did not share any books with the lion. Little Lion told Miss Bird. Miss Bird said, Elephant could not stay in the library corner if he did not share nicely. What did Miss Bird do? She told the elephant to go. Why? Because he did not share the books with Little Lion. At playtime, Elephant found an old football under a bush. Everyone wanted to play with it. But Elephant said he found it. So it was his football. And he did not have to share if he did not want to. His friends got cross. They got angry. They thought he was mean not to share. The elephant was not sharing anything with his friends. Now his friends got very angry and upset. See, all his friends, giraffe, little lion, hippo, monkey, they all are upset and angry. Why? Because the elephant is not sharing his things. On Saturday morning, Elephant's grand came to visit. She had a nice surprise for Elephant. It was a new bat and a ball set. It had a shiny red ball, and a big wooden bat with a bright blue handle. Elephant thought it was the best bat and ball set in the world.
Yes.
Now what will the elephant do? Let's see. First of all, elephant threw the ball. He threw it really hard. It went a long way. Then elephant swung the bat. It swung really well. Elephant was very pleased. Next, elephant tried to throw the ball and bat it. But it was no good. Then he tried to bat the ball and catch it. But that was no good either. Elephant was not pleased. His new bat and ball set was No fun at all. Can you play bat and ball alone? No, you can't play. You need to have friends to play bat and ball.
Bat and ball.
You need to have
Bat and ball.
friends.
Friends.
Now what will the elephant do? Elephant went off to find his friends. They were by the swamp. They were playing with an old bat and ball set. The ball was not shiny at all, and the bat's handle was bent and broken. But everyone was having lots of fun. Elephant told his friends about his new bat and ball set. He told them about the shiny red ball and the big wooden bat with the bright blue handle. But no one was interested. They were having too much fun playing together with the old bat and ball set. Then Elephant asked if he could play too. But everyone said no. They said he did not want to share with them ever. So what did they do? They did not want to share their game with him. What did they say? Elephant did not share anything with his friends. So now his friends said, no, we will not play with you. We will not share our game with you.
Yeah, me too.
Elephant went home. He was very sad now. Elephant saw Gran in the garden. She asked him why he was sad. He told her that his friends did not want to share with him because he had never shared with them. He said he wished he could put things right. Gran told him to think about how he could do that.
You do that.
Now what did the elephant do? Elephant had a good think. He said he should say sorry to his friends for being so selfish. He said he should ask his friends to come and play with his new bat and ball set. Gran said that they were good ideas. Elephant found his friends. He said he was sorry for not sharing with them. What did he do? He said sorry to his friends because he did not share his things with them before. He promised never to be selfish again. Then he asked them if they would like to come and play bat and ball at his house. Everyone said yes.
Yes.
Ah.
Yes.
Everyone liked Elephant's new bat and ball set. They liked the shiny red ball and the big wooden bat with the bright blue handle. Elephant let everyone take turns at swinging the bat. Yes, he let everyone take turns at throwing the ball.
Like the ball.
Next, they all played a game together. Everyone said it was the best game ever. Elephant was pleased. Soon it was time for tea. Gran had made a large cake with lots of cherries on the top. It looked delicious. What did the elephant do? Elephant cut the cake into slices. He made sure everyone had a fair share. He made sure everyone had a cherry too. He said it was nicer to share things with your friends and much more fun. Everyone agreed. So, what did the elephant learn? Sharing is fun.
That's caring.
Yes, sharing is caring. Very good, Sarasvi. Good job.
Let me talk.